Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how can you create this shoe liquid splash in Photoshop. I show you how can you use liquid splash and create an awesome shoe splash composite in Photoshop. I try to make this tutorial simple so that a beginner also can create this composite. I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial. So watch until the end, and tell me your valuable word in the comment section below. Leave a like, and subscribe if you didn't yet. So let's start today's tutorial. Now we are here in the magical world of Photoshop. I have downloaded all of the images for today's project. If you want all of these images, you can check the link in the description. I will put the link to download all the images. First, we need to create a new document. Go to File, New. Now take 1920 by 1080p size document. You can take any size. Keep resolution 300. Choose any name you like. Now create. Press Ctrl or Command plus 0 to fit the document with your canvas. Go to Shoe Document. I have already cut out the image. You can take your time and make the selection. Now take the image and paste it over the splash document. Press Ctrl or Command plus T and adjust the size. Go to the toolbar, and take the pen tool. Take your time and make a path. Close the path. Press right button on your mouse. Select Make Selection. Leave all the setting default. And hit OK. Now press Ctrl or Command plus J to make a new layer with the selection. Go to the Layers panel. Press Ctrl or Command and click to the thumbnail of the first layer. Select the second layer, and press Delete on your keyboard. Deselect the selection. You can see you make the shoes is in two parts. Take the Move tool. Press Ctrl or Command plus T on your keyboard, and select the Wrap tool. Now create a shape like me. Change the shape of the shoe. You can also follow my step to create the shape. Now we are done. Next, we need to add the liquid splash. Go the liquid splash image document. I will also put the link to download this liquid splash. Take the image and paste it to the main document. Press Ctrl or Command plus T and adjust the size with the shoe. Place it in a perfect area. Try to match the splash with the shoe. It's perfect. Now select all the images and press Ctrl or Command plus T. Make smaller. Now select the liquid splash layer, and apply a layer mask. Go to the toolbar, and take brush tool. Increase the opacity 100%. Adjust the brush size. Go to brush setting, and be sure to check the transform option is selected. Adjust the opacity and match the liquid with the shoe. Now select the shoe layer and apply a layer mask. Press the right button on your mouse and increase the hardness, and remove those unwanted areas. Take your time and adjust the liquid with shoes properly. Now go to second liquid image document. Take the image and paste it here. Press Ctrl or Command plus T, and adjust the size. Put the liquid layer to the top. Press Ctrl or Command plus T again and place the liquid. Take your time to adjust the liquid splash. Now that's okay. Select the down layer, and apply a layer mask. Go to the toolbar and take brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is black. Increase the opacity. Press the right button on your mouse and increase the hardness 100%. Then remove this area. Decrease the hardness and remove. Select the shoe and remove this edge's shadow. Now we need to adjust the shoe color to match with the liquid. Go to an adjustment layer, take brightness and contrast. Press the right button on your mouse and create a clipping mask. Increase the contrast, decrease the brightness. Now select all the images. Press Ctrl or Command plus T, and adjust the size again. Now we are going to create the background. To create the background, select the background layer, and press Ctrl or Command plus J to make a duplicate layer. Then go to the toolbar and take Gradient tool. Go to Option bar and click to the gradient. Adjust the gradient. I take light blue and deep blue for the gradient. You can choose as you like. Zoom out a little bit, click to the middle of the layer. Drag it to the left, be sure to press Shift on your keyboard. Adjust the gradient as you like. Next, go to the adjustment layer. Take the exposure. Increase the exposure and decrease the offset. We create the background. Select the first layer, go to the toolbar and take brightness and contrast. Increase the contrast. Also increase the brightness. It's okay. Go to adjustment layer again, take Carve tool. Increase the highlight and decrease the opacity. Create a slight contrast to the image. Next, we need to add a shadow. Create a blank layer. Go to the toolbar and take brush tool. Make the brush bigger. Press the right button on your mouse, and decrease the hardness 0%. Adjust the brush size. Change the foreground color into black. And click once. Take the Move tool. Press Ctrl or Command plus T on your keyboard. Adjust the shadow. Decrease the opacity around 40%. Now we are done. We create our shoe liquid splash in Photoshop. Let's see the final output. Now, I just show you all the method to create this shoe liquid splash in Photoshop. I try my best to show you all the tricks and tips. If you want all the images I use in my tutorial, you can check the link in the description. Also, I will put the link of this PSD file. I hope that you like this tutorial. Follow my step and create this awesome liquid splash in Photoshop. You can also check out my other tutorials on my channel. I hope that you will like. And don't forget to tell me your thought about my tutorial in the comment section below. Leave a like, and subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. Also press the bell icon. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye. And the most important thing, keep learning.